Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will continue our chapter effects of electric currents. The part is electromagnetic induction. We have already done the experiment and taught in the last video about simple electric motor, and it was when we are putting a horseshoe magnet north and south pole, and in between we are putting a straight wire or rectangular coil. But we found, and the current is passed through that coil, but we found that coil is start moving. That coil is start moving. The force is applied on that coil. This is the basic principle of the electric motor. Today we will learn about electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic means electricity produced by magnet. Electricity produced through magnet. This is the electromagnetic induction. The current which is produced through magnet is called as induced current. When a straight wire is kept between the magnet, the pole of the magnet, and it is moved up and down, current is induced in the wire. This current is called as induced current. We will see the experiment for that also. Here I have made some diagram to demonstrate that experiment. Before that, I would like to inform you about galvanometer. It is an instrument which used to detect current. How it works? It works on the same principle. If when a current is passed through the magnet, there are two magnets are placed, north pole and south pole, in the galvanometer, and current is passed. When current is passed between the pole of the magnet, the pointer is facing the force, due to which it is moved right and left depending upon the current direction. Suppose current is coming from this direction, the pointer will move here. The current is moving from this direction, the pointer will move in this direction. So it will detect the current. The movement of the pointer will detect current in the galvanometer, and galvanometer is applied in series. Okay, not in parallel, it is applied in series connection. So here is the experiment. It is showing to demonstrate when we are putting a straight wire between the horseshoe magnet and we are moving up and down, current will be detected in the galvanometer. In the first experiment, what we have done, we have taken the wire and this is north and south pole of the magnet, but we are pulling the wire upwards. We are pushing the wire upward in the upward direction. Once we push the wire in upward direction, what we found, galvanometer is, the pointer is moving in this direction. The pointer is moving in this direction. In another way, what we done in this method, we have pulled the wire upward. In this here, we push the wire downward direction. We push the wire downward direction. What we found here is, again the galvanometer is showing the movement, but it is in opposite direction. Here it was in this direction, here it is in this direction. Here what we done, we moved upward. The wire we moved upward, and here we push the wire downward direction. The current is induced in both the case, but in opposite direction. So we found that whenever we push a wire up and down in a presence of magnet, so current is induced in the conductor. This principle is used in the generator also to generate electricity. What they do, they keep the electrical coil in between the magnet and the magnet, and it is moved. That coil is about to move. In that way, the current is induced in that coil. That coil induces the current, and we get electricity. Suppose if you say, okay, I am moving the wire now. If what will happen, then we move the magnet. In another case also, in another experiment also, the current will be induced. Current will be also induced. This is the case where the coil bar is fixed over here and a bar magnet is taken. When we push the bar magnet inside the coil in this direction, the motion is in this direction. We found that the galvanometer is detecting the current in a particular direction. And after that we are pulling the magnet outside. We are pulling the magnet outside. Here we are pushing in this direction. Here we are pulling in that direction, opposite direction. What happened? Galvanometer again detecting the current, but it is in opposite direction. But it found the current will be induced whether we move the magnet inside a fixed coil or we move the wire conducting current between two fixed magnets. Current will be induced, but it will be direction will be depending upon the motion direction. Here we are moving up, direction is here. Here we are moving down, the direction is here. Here we are pushing, direction is here, and here we are pulling, direction is opposite. So these two experiments show the basic principle of generator, how the electric current is induced with the presence of magnet. These two experiments was done by Faraday and Henry. These two scientists, they done the experiment and they concluded that if we fix the magnet and the wire is moved, current is induced in the wire. If we fix the wire, coiling wire, and the magnet is moved, then again current is induced. There will be no current if we keep the wire just fixed, okay, and no one is moving. If we fix the wire like this and we are not moving, no current will be detected in the galvanometer. The question comes, how we increase or decrease the current? The method is, suppose this wire we have taken, we make a turn. If we increase the turn of this wire, the current will be more. And if we keep that turn, okay, in a soft iron, we are turning the copper wire in a soft iron, again the current will be increased. The magnitude of current will increase. Another method, there are two methods. Another method of increasing the current is if we keep more powerful magnet. If we increase the strength of magnet, more current will be induced. This is the third method. The fourth method is if we keep the rotation faster. We are keeping, okay, we are doing very fast, more and more fast, okay. So more current will increase, or we are keeping the wire up and down, more and more faster. Then again, more current will be there. More current will be there. So this is the basic principle of the generator. And here the same thing is used in generator also. The current is induced in the generator, and that generator supplies the current to the electric houses. In the generator, how it is moved due to turbine. In the hydroelectric power plant, with the help of a reservoir water, the turbine are moved. This turbine, what happened? They are fixed with the rectangular coil. And they are moved between the magnet. This induce the current in the circuit. This induce the current in the wire. Again, nuclear power plant, thermal power plant. What they all do? They take the steam water. Due to the steam pressure, the turbine, a shaft is moved. The shaft makes the rectangular wire coil to move, and that way they produce the current, induced current. Hope you understood these all things. Assalamu alaikum.